So I'm now in a restaurant and it's a pretty lovely place. You can see waterfall here, and it's artificial. It's an artificial waterfall. So I am really enjoying the time. So okay, you can see a beautiful restaurant here. The place is very lovely. We come here to enjoy the place, and we are enjoying the day. And I think it's some trees also here. Basically, you can see here the water lily flowers, and I have also a lot of flowers. So it's in Maliwak. Hey, where is the place? What is the place name?
I don't know, but the place is really very beautiful.
Where we are now? What is the place?
Next to the Mogbazar flyover.
Oh, we are in the Mogbazar flyover, and it's very next to the Mogbazar flyover. Really, I'm enjoying some wonderful time here, and thank you all. And stay with us, and best of luck. Thank you.